Hello there, Christan Bosley, President and Broker of Record, coming to you with this month's market statistics as it relates to November 2022. Getting right to it, our market can be called many things: boring, consistent, stable, and really just not newsworthy. But here we are nonetheless. When looking at the numbers, it's clear we have found a little bit of balance, as much as we may ever see in our local market anyway. Starting with average price, we see again for the fifth consecutive month an average price hovering around $1,080,000 in November 2022. Year over year, this does represent a decline of 7.2%. However, as has been mentioned before, the month over month statistics are really critical to understand as we continue experiencing this shift. As a friendly reminder, month over month, we have experienced very consistent average prices since the month of July. Moving to sales, we saw a total of 4,544 sales through the Toronto MLS system in November, representing an unsurprised but yet drastic drop of 50% year over year. Month over month, however, this figure represents a decline of 8.4%. This may seem surprising since we were already at historic lows for number of sales. However, we do on average see a decline of sales between October and November to the tune of about 12 to 13%. So a decline of 8% is actually bucking the trend when we look at the month over month figures. Last but not least, new listings have also continued to decline, with a total of 8,880 new listings through the TREB system in the month of November. This represents a year-over-year decline of 11.6% and a month-over-month decline of 14.5%. When you take into further consideration the active listing count, we have seen this number increase a whopping 95% year over year for a total of 11,910 active listings on the MLS system through November. Month over month, however, we did see a decline of active listings by about 8.5%. So, are we confused yet? Let's sum it up. New listings were down month over month and year over year. Active listings were way up year over year, but month over month they were down by 8%, signaling that there are quite a few active and qualified buyers absorbing that listing product on the market. While I believe boring and stable are pretty great descriptors of a healthy market, we do also have that elephant in the room known as interest rates. As of December 7th, the Bank of Canada did increase interest rates by 50 basis points, locking the benchmark rate in at 4.25%. While this is still a very healthy rate for borrowing costs these days, it is clear that buyers are very accustomed to free money. So of course, we are continuing to experience that adjustment in our market. So what do we expect for December? Nothing more than the usual market cycle we always expect to see, resulting in further declines due to both interest rates and of course, simply the holiday season. We'll see whether the declines we experience in December are more than we would expect to see on average next month. So don't forget to stay tuned. Thank you so much for listening. And as always, don't forget to call Bosley for all of your real estate needs. Certainty sure does feel good. Have a wonderful holiday season. Bye for now.